Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I am here with hashtag Jelly Postcard Play, hosted by Jerry Griffins, and we are on day 22. Ta-da! So this one is a little collage of different little stickers I had on my back, behind my background, and some of my background. Home Sweet Home, DEA, Peace, Love, Very Well Done, Cheers, Take Your Time, Laugh Often, Let's Go, Cool Some Eyes. So this is what it looks like for day 21. And of course I have my background in and I doodled a little bit. Here's the 22. So that's what it looks up like close. Like I said, I'm using stickers that I have. And it's a great way to use some of them that you have sitting around. And this is, of course, one of them. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be safe. Or be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now. Let's add that to the box. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.